Hello students, welcome to our e-learning class of Modern English of School Kuntinagar, Nevada. Students, this is the second video lecture of number system. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss some important terms related to rational numbers, such as simplest form of a rational number and represent rational number on the number line and rational numbers between the two given rational number. Okay, so students, first point related to rational number is simplest form of a rational number. Rational numbers का simplest form. A rational number p by q is said to be in simplest form. A rational number p by q is said to be in simplest form if p and q are integers. If p and q are integers having no common factor other than 1. Having no common factor other than 1. A rational number is said to be in simplest form. The common factor of the p and q, it means numerator and denominator, other than 1. Having no common factors other than 1. P and q are the numerator and the denominator are integers having no common factor other than 1. 1 के अलावा कोई और common factor उसका ना हो. It means कि P and Q are co-primes. What do you mean by co-primes? Co-primes. Two numbers are said to be co-primes. Two numbers are said to be co-primes if no common factors other than 1, such as 3 and 5. Okay, 3 and 5 are the co-primes because the factor of 3 is 1 and 3 and the factor of 5 is 1 and 5. Then common factor 3 and 5 is only 1 and no any common factors other than 1. Okay, so 3 and 5 are co-prime. Okay, so students, no common factors other than 1, such as 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the rational number. This is the simplest form because 1 and 2, that is P and Q, having no common factors other than 1. 1 के अलावा कोई और common factors 1 और 2 का नहीं है. 7 by 9. Okay, 7 or 9, the factor of the 7 is 1 and 7. Or the factor of 9 is 1, 3 and 9. Okay, for common factor 7 and 9 is 1, not other than 1. No any common factor other than 1. Then we say that if 7 by 9 is the simplest form of a rational number. Students, our next term is a representation of rational numbers on real line. We see some examples related to this term, and first example is to represent a rational number 2 upon 3 by 8 and minus 1 upon 5 by 7 on real line. So students, let's start the solution. First of all, we draw a, students, look carefully, draw a line xy. Draw a line x by, okay, which extend endless in both direction. Okay, and take a point O. Take a point O on it take a point O on it and let it represent 0. Let it represent 0. Okay, taking a fixed length, the right side of the 0 is the positive integers and the left side of the 0 is negative integers. Okay, and first of all we represent 2 upon 3 by 8 on this real line. So students, 2 upon 3 by 8, 2 upon 3 by 8, it means we write 2 plus 3 by 8. Okay, this is the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is the combination of whole number and the proper fraction. Okay, whole number and the proper fraction, the mixture of whole number and the proper fraction is called the mixed fraction. So students, first of all 2 upon 3 by 8 is the positive number plus positive number. So 2 upon 3 by 8 lies right side of the 0. Okay, right side of the 0. सबसे पहले तो 2 अपॉन 3 बाई 8 जो नंबर है वो पॉजिटिव नंबर है और ये पॉजिटिव नंबर जो है वो 0 के राइट साइड में बिलोंग करेगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट कि 2 प्लस 3 बाई 8 एंड द 3 बाई 8 इज द प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ द प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन इज 0 and 1. Lie between the 0 and 1. The proper fraction, the value of the proper fraction lies between 0 and 1. Okay, and 2 plus 3 by 8, it means कि 2 upon 3 by 8 जो नंबर है वो 2 से बड़ा और 3 से क्या होगा, छोटा होगा. 2 से बड़ा और 3 से छोटा होगा. It means कि 2 upon 3 by 8 lies between the 2 and 3. Okay, 8. So students, the distance between the 2 and 3 divided in 8 equal parts. Okay, denominator is 8, then 8 equal parts divided the distance of 2 and 3. So here students, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So there are 8 equal parts. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, and nominator is 3, so we counting from the 2, 1 2 3. Okay, so this point represent the rational number 2 upon 3 by 8. This point is called P. So this point represents the rational number 2 upon 3 by 8. Okay, so next other minus 1 upon 5 by 7. This is the negative rational number. Okay, mixed fraction, this is the negative rational number. Negative rational numbers represent left side of the 0. Okay, minus 1 upon 5 by 7, that is we write ki minus 1 plus 5 by 7. Okay, minus 1, it means for this number minus 1 upon 5 by 7 represent between minus 1 and minus 2, between minus 1 and minus 2. Okay, so here denominator is 7, so we divide minus 1 and the distance between minus 1 and minus 2 is the 7 equal parts. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So students, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 equal 5. Okay, and we counting from minus 1, nominator is 5, then we counting from minus 1, 1 2 3 4 5. This point represent minus 1 upon 5 by 7. Okay, this point is P dash. P dash represents the rational number minus 1 upon 5 by 7. Okay, now students, our next term related to rational number is finding rational numbers between two given rational number. Finding rational numbers between two given rational number. It means कि दो दिए हुए रेशनल नंबर्स के बीच में हमें रेशनल नंबर फाइंड करना है. फर्स्ट इज, सपोज मान लेते हैं कि वी आर रिक्वायर्ड टू फाइंड वन रेशनल नंबर. वी आर required to find one rational number between the two rational number x and y such that कि x is less than y. It means कि y is greater than x. Okay, कि x is less than y. It means y is greater than x. For required rational numbers lying between x and y, for one rational number, only one rational number find between the two rational number is, if x and y are the two rational numbers, then the required rational number lying between x and y is x plus y by 2. Okay, it means 1 by 2 into x plus y. Let's example. Suppose to find a rational number, lying between 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. Okay, so students, 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 is less than 1 by 2. So required rational number lying between 1 by 3 and 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2. Okay, so take LCM 6, 3 2 ja 6 2, 2 3 ja 6 5, 1 by 2 multiply 5 by 6. It means 5 by 12. So 5 by 12 is a rational number lying between 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. Okay, students, suppose कि we are required to find n rational number. n rational number. Suppose कि we are required to find n rational numbers between the two given rational number x and y and with like denominators. n rational numbers. Find n rational numbers between two given rational numbers with like denominator. It means कि दोनों रेशनल नंबर का जो डिनोमिनेटर हो वो दोनों क्या हो, सेम हो. ओके, जैसे सपोज दैट एग्जांपल है कि n, इट मींस 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 डॉट 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 etc. So find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So 3 by 5 and 4 by 5 of the two given rational numbers, or denominators are, both rational numbers are same. Okay, 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Okay, so find 5 rational numbers. First of all, students, we convert these rational numbers to equivalent rational number by multiplying a suitable number n plus 1. What is n? So here let's start example. Let n is equal to 5. Okay, because we find 5 rational numbers. So 5 rational number, it means n is equal to 5. find the 11 rational number, it means n is equal to 11. Okay, so n is equal to 5. So for first of all 3 by 5. So 3 by 5, convert the equivalent rational number, multiply 5 plus 1, that is here n plus 1 is equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. It means multiplying by 6, 18 or by 30. Okay, and 4 by 5, we multiply 4 by 5 by a suitable number n plus 1, that is 6, multiply 6, that is 24 by 30. Okay, so here 18 by 30 and 24 by 30, find 5 rational numbers. So 19 by 30, 20 by 30, 21 by 30, 22 by 30 and 23 by 30. So these are 5 rational numbers lying between 18 by 13 and 24 by 30. It means 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Okay, next students, if suppose we are required to find n rational numbers between the two given rational numbers x and y with unlike denominators. n रेशनल नंबर हमें फाइंड करना है दो रेशनल नंबर्स के बीच में, बट वो दो रेशनल नंबर जिसका डिनोमिनेटर क्या हो, डिफरेंट हो, अनलाइक हो. ओके, अनलाइक डिनोमिनेटर्स एंड सच दैट कि x इज लेस देन y. इट मीन्स कि टू रेशनल नंबर, सपोज दैट कि 1 by 3 and 1 by 2 are the two rational numbers with unlike denominators. That is the denominator 3 and the 2. And here x is equal to 1 by 3 and y is equal to 1 by 2. Then x is less than y. Okay. So students, first of all find d. Okay. Find d. So let us example कि find 5 rational numbers or 6 rational numbers, 7 rational numbers, etc. Find 5 rational numbers between 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. 5 rational numbers. So here n is equal to 5. N is equal to 5. So first of all, in this condition, first of all we find d. Okay, and d is equal to y minus x by n plus 1. And y, it means 1 by 2. Okay, and x, it means 1 by 3, and by n plus 1, n is equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So students, take LCM. 6, 3 minus 2 by 6, that is 1 by 6. 1 by 6 multiply 6, that is 1 by 36. So d is equal to 1 by 36. So first of all, in this condition, first of all we find the d, and the formula of the d is the y minus x by n plus 1, and the n rational numbers lying between x and y are x plus d, x plus 2d, x plus 3d, dot 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 x plus nd. Okay.